Just dump it in there. Here, dump it. Dump it right in there, dude. You're a big boy. Fuel cell. Okay. Take that and put it over my mom, and then I need the...
Thank you. Set it down.
That one.
Huh?
That's this one.
Okay, hold on.
Yucky.
Hold on to this.
Don't spill it.
Don't spill it, Daddy.
Two more. Do one more time after this, okay?
No, no, no. Don't dump that in there.
Now what we're going to do, here, hold on to this. Now, hold it straight up just like that. Don't tip it over. Okay, now we're going to turn this to the side.
You don't want to get any of the liquid and the powder mixed together.
Stick that in there like that.
That's what shoots it off. Oh, he's backing up. He knows. Let's back up ourselves. Whoa. Are you ready to run?
Are you ready? Go! Look up! Look! Look! Look!
Whoa, man! Whoa! Go get it!
Can you believe how well that works? Oh my god, did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. All right, dude.